Hi everyone, it's Manthan here, and in this lecture I'm going to show you how you can buy phone numbers from any country with any code that you like with your organization name or with your branded call of your corporate or your business name. So let us get started. But before we start, I just want to answer some question. You might be thinking, does Manthan have only one t-shirt? Yes. Does Manthan have shoot this entire course in one day? Yes. Bruh. Just kidding, both of them answer are no, so let us get started. First of all, we are going to use Telenex. Telenex is basically a provider like Twilio or Vonage where we can buy phone numbers from any country with any code. And then what we are going to do is we are going to integrate those phone numbers with our retail AI by using SIP trunking or SIP trunking, right? And then we are going to do CNAME. So this is the main part. For instance, if you are going to buy phone numbers, for example, from Twilio, they are already using their phone numbers again and again. They are not creating new phone numbers. So for instance, like it has been used by thousands of people before you and now you have bought that phone number. So one of those prospect might be spamming those phone numbers. So you will likely get that spam likely call once you are making those outbound calls as well as getting those inbound calls. And we definitely don't want that, right? You don't want your phone numbers be tagged as spam likely. That's why we are going to do CNAME. CNAME basically means your organization name, your company name or your business name will be certified here. For instance, in this example, it is retail. If you have your own company name, let's say Lead Gen Man, it will say Lead Gen Man. That's why CNAME is doing so important. And lastly, we will do voice integrity. Alright, so let us get started. I just want to show you what we are going to do in this lecture. So first of all, we are going to go to Telenex. And the reason of using Telenex over Twilio is the call per minute is very low and you will save so much money if you are making thousands and thousands of calls. And again, Telenex is even easier to use than Twilio. So make sure to sign up with Telenex. Make sure that you are using the company name and company email and not random gmail.com. Make sure you are using your own work email. Alright, so I will log in. Awesome. So after logging in, this will be your dashboard. So what we need to do is, first of all, we need to make a SIP connection with our retail AI. Alright, so if you go to retail AI, you will be able to find when you click on plus and connect your phone number via SIP trunking, we have to enter all of this information. So for doing so, we will first of all go to voice, then go to SIP trunking. And let's start from new. So let us start or create a new connection. Name it whatever you like. I'm saying Lead Gen Man and select FQDN. Then click on create. Awesome. So now we are going to add our FQDN. So click on add FQDN. In DNS record, we are going to use SRV. And in FQDN, this is the source or company name that we are using, for instance, is Retail AI. So we have to get that URL from retail. So go to retail or you can go to this help center as well. Click on help center and then search for SIP trunking. As simple as that. Even you can find SIP trunking from here. I will show you. So it will pop up with all of this information. So what we are looking for is this URL that start with 5T4N. Yeah, even you can find it from here. Connect your phone number via SIP or SIP. Copy this after SIP, 5T and end with cloud. Paste it here, click on save. Awesome. Now you don't need to change anything here. You only had to add your username and password. So for username, I can say Lead Gen Man. Awesome. Let's screenshot it. Now let us click on next. Awesome. Now you don't need to configure anything here in this configuration. Just simply click on next. Now we are in the inbound section. So this will be set up. So this phone number will be set up for inbound calls. So we are going to select the plus sign because we are getting that plus line from Retail AI, that's why. And now in origination number format, same thing. Now here comes the beauty. Whichever region that you want to select, you can do it. For instance, you can select from Australia, Canada, Europe, US, whatever region do you like. So I'm going to use for US, yeah. And I'm going to select the code Opus G722, G729 and Opus, yeah. These are the three things that I will select. Codecs, make sure you are using the same codecs. Awesome, so that's all you need to do for inbound. Now click on next. Then for outbound voice profile, just simply click on default, and whatever country that you have selected before, just select that. So in my example, United States. Alright, that's it. Now click on next, and here we have to buy the number or add the number. So I haven't bought any number yet because this was a demo account. So let us buy number. I'm doing this for you guys. I don't know where I will use this phone number. So let us add a let us add a phone number. So let us complete right now, and then we will buy phone number. Our connection is done. All we need to do is go to numbers, assign numbers. So for assigning numbers, we will buy numbers. You can select whatever country that you like. I'm going to select from USA, as well as you can search by area, code, region, code, bunch of things. Yeah, so feel free to add that advanced search as well if you like to start with this phone number with this. Yeah, but I'm going to do the default one. So let us buy this phone number. Even in Telenex, the phone numbers are much cheaper. In retail AI, it is around $1.15. Now let us add to cart. So I will put on my card details and I will see you on the other side. Awesome. So after verifying my face and my passport, I was able to add this amount. So I will place an order. Perfect. So let us go back to our connections. Go to SIP trunking or SIP connection. Click on edit and let's assign phone number to it. Click on assign. Perfect. So there we go, guys. We just have connected, or we just have bought phone number from Telenex. Now it's time to add with our retail AI. So just copy the phone number, copy it, paste it here. Let's remove this. Then the termination URI. So where you will be able to find the termination URI is, I will share the link. So go to sip.telenex.com. Yeah, select the first one. And from here, we will be able to find our termination URI in FQDN. So since we have selected USA, we are going to use this one. But if you have used Australia, use this one. Alright, I hope this makes sense. Copy this, paste it here. Then our username that we have just made, which was leadgenman. Same goes for the password. And the nickname that you want to give to your phone number. And once you click on save, it will be added in your phone numbers. Awesome. Within just minutes, we were able to buy the phone number from Telenex and import it in our retail AI. Now let us assign this phone number. Let's say real estate. Same goes for outbound calls. Now in order to get your CNAME and voice integrity, your company name or your brand name, we have to do CNAME. So let us go back to our SIP trunking. So go to numbers and then click on my numbers. Click on caller ID and CNAME listing disable. Go to voice and then scroll down. You will be able to find CNAME or caller ID lookup. So let us enable this CNAME and the caller ID name, let's say lead gen man. Awesome. And let's save this. Now this lead gen man should came here instead of retail AI. Awesome. I hope you understand how you can import your phone numbers from Telenex to your retail AI and use it with your own brand name as well as with your own company name. To be honest, if you buy phone numbers from retail AI, you can apply from branded calls as well as verified phone numbers from here itself. You don't have to do anything extra. So we already have a lecture on it, so make sure to check it out. This is the lecture I am talking about, boosting call pickup rates with branded numbers. Alright, so make sure to check it out. I hope you found this valuable and I will see you in another one.